First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To upscale an image, start by selecting the image you want to improve. You can choose an image you previously generated in Ideogram AI or another supported image from your workspace. Open the image and look for an option related to upscaling, enhancing, or increasing the image resolution. Depending on the current Ideogram AI interface, the exact name and location of the feature may be different. Before starting the process, check the original image carefully. Look at the resolution, sharpness, facial details, textures, edges, and overall quality. If the image is slightly blurry or too small for your project, an upscaling tool may help create a larger and more detailed version. Select the appropriate enhancement or upscale option available in your current workspace. If different output sizes or enhancement levels are available, choose the one that best matches your project. For example, you may want a higher resolution version for a presentation, website, large display, or other design project. Now start the upscaling process and wait for Ideogram AI to finish processing the image.